Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. Here are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters and emojis. Are you ready? Let's start. Start with easy level. Nobody can find the number 76. Good job. This one is the odd number 76. Anybody can find the odd Iron Man within time. That one is the odd Iron Man. Good job. Can you find the odd letter like PK? Amazing! This one is the odd letter. Identify the different number 97. Excellent! You identified the right odd one. Puzzle Master can find the odd letter. Super! You are a puzzle master. Can you find the odd skeleton within time? Good job. This one is the odd skeleton. Difficult to spot the number 65. That one is difficult, but you find it. Can you find the unique letter like UF? Good job. This one is the unique letter. Can you solve this math quiz? 21 plus 25 minus 12. Amazing! C option is the right option. Focus Master can find the number 12. Good job. You are a focus master. Easy level done. Medium level start. Anybody can find the odd soldier within time. That one is the odd soldier. Anybody can find the odd number 256. Amazing! This one is a odd number. Anybody can find the odd letter like G, H, U. Super! This one is the odd letter. Impossible to find a number 483. Good job. This one impossible, but you find it. You faster than a computer find the odd bulb. That one is the odd bulb emoji. Excellent. One letter is different. Can you find it? Great job. This one is the different letter. Are you smart? Then find the number 746. That's one the odd number. Can you solve this math quiz? 24 plus 29 minus 2 multiply 8 divide by 2. This option is the right option. Good job. Can you spot the odd letter within time? You find the correct letter. Genius can find the number 620 within time. Really, you are a genius like Einstein. Flower lovers can find the odd flower within time. Good job. This one is the odd flower. Which one is the unique number? Can you find it? That one is the unique number. Test your eyes. Find the number 260. Anybody can find the odd letter. That's one, the right one. Can you pick the odd one number within time? Amazing! You picked the odd one number. 2 exciting level done, hard level start. Only 1% can find the odd emoji within time. Super! This one is the odd emoji. Sharp eyes can find the odd number. Yes, you are smart. You find it. Can you find the odd letter within given time? That one is the odd letter. Sharp eyes can find the odd number. Challenge. Can you find the odd letter within time? Can you find the unique Super Mario emoji within time? That one is the odd Super Mario emoji. Test your brain IQ. Find the odd number. Your brain will be tested. You find it. Test your visual skill. Find the odd letter. Brain test. Find the number 8745. Only 4 eyes can find the odd letter. This one is the different letter. Brain teaser. Find the odd number. Can you solve this math quiz? 240 plus 150 minus 165 divided by 2. The right answer give me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters and emoji, and subscribe the channel.